last but not least, we have the volatility index, right? And we can see on the volatility index from the monthly time frame, again, still inside of this uptrend. And let me tell you something about the VIX, right? The VIX is going to hold this level, right? The VIX is not going to break below. I'm not going to say not. I'm just going to say it's very, very rare that the VIX breaks below 14 or 12, right? So as aggressive as we're coming down, I'm cool with us coming down, but I'm telling you right now, I'm a bear anytime the VIX gets into this yellow box, period. I don't care what's happening in the market. If the VIX comes down to the 14s or the 15, Hobbs is going short somewhere. I'm going to find a way to get short because the VIX, this is the monthly candle, right? Look how many times we come down here on a monthly time frame and we've never broken below these levels, right? So as far as where we are right now, this is why I think the market may do somewhat of a balancing act unless it can break to the down or the upside. I would prefer that the VIX aggressively drop, right, to start the week, because that's when it'll tap back into these 14s or 15s, which means that the market could aggressively pop up, right? The VIX goes down to start the week. The market pushes up to start the week, aggressively pushing into the 14s and 15s. We get some type of aggressive red folder news, or Trump sends some type of tweet when we hit those levels that I've aforementioned. And then boom, we get a rejection off the highs, right? Right when the VIX hits 14. So the VIX can make its essential big pump back up to put in that lower high. And then we just do this balancing act with the VIX. So that's kind of how I'm looking at the VIX, and how I'm going to be using it to support my thesis going into the next week.